We first moved to the wilderness in 1988 June, and we were there for a couple weeks learning from somebody else who owned a piece of land. Due to some unfortunate circumstances, we left and went back to California. This next little clip you're going to see here is us coming back with our old Ford with a 400 horsepower engine pulling a little trailer. And then you'll see that the cabins that we had built a couple weeks earlier were all cut down. Very interesting. The person quit claimed the land, and we ended up buying it. And then we lived inside the trailer. Jane homeschooled for a while. She has a degree, and it was legal, and it did well. They're all professionals now. But then I think you'll see some more interesting clips here when you see it only took us like one night to design a cabin. We've never put anything together in our whole lives.
We have 3 millions. There's another set of 3 zeros. And after millions
there's 3? 3 zeros?
No, thousands have 3 zeros. You have 3 zeros. That's your thousands now. You have 3 more zeros over here.
Chris and I sat down one night and went over some drawings that Mom and I had made, Mom being my wife, Jane, and he said, okay, we could probably do it. So we went into the lumber store and we spent $5,000 on wood and asked him to deliver it in the middle of nowhere. And he said, that's going to cost you money. And I said, okay, charge David Rockefeller, I guess. I don't know. We're broke. So they brought the lumber up, and you'll see us sort of knocking things together. We had no idea how to do anything. We had never had any experience before. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little clip. There's plenty more clips on bobshannon.org. You just go to YouTube and look up Mountain Wind Family or bobshannon.org, and you'll find all of our videos. We have hundreds of them here. It's crazy. But this is the only one where you'll see us building the cabin. So until we see you again, Mountain Wind Family, signing out.